शुरू शुरू कुछ शुरू तो कर, जहाँ भी है तू वहीं से यारा कोई कहानी शुरू तो कर।
रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे, इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में।
जोश में चला चल चला चला अब रुकेंगे ना हम, डर मिटा चला सर उठा चला अब झुकेंगे ना हम। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा।
Vidosi. For me, the experience of the Scope Camp was very beautiful. I learned a lot of new stories and बहुत मज़ा आया, like the nature, and especially rains नहीं था, so like all the classes were outside in nature, so that was बहुत beautiful. And what I realized from this particular Scope Camp, how to consciously actually, you know, see everything from a bird's eye view. Like, acha, everything's going on, but come see it through a bird's eye view with a smile. So that was one more reinforcement to do that. Even from the game जो हमने खेला उससे भी सीखा, and बहुत बार reinforce हुआ वो. So that was something I have taken from this camp.
My name is Nitya. I'm 26. I'm a writer. And this is my first Scope Camp, even though I've been associated with MET for like 20 years. Every 1.5 hours when we, do the segment intending, that time she told me, whatever problems you have, put it into an affirmation. So literally, I cannot go to the washroom usually when I'm outside my house and living here. And she's like, just say the opposite. I have gone consistently all these days, and I'm just like, how magical is this? So just little things like that. And every time we were in one of the sessions, I wrote down exactly what I wanted to change in my life. So with my relationships, health, wealth, and I will update you guys on how that goes as well. Thank you.
I'm Meera from Bombay. I love coming here because I learn so much practically, because I'm always in audio mode in DYL. But practically being with the master, being in his aura, being over here, I feel a lot of my karma gets cleansed. I get overall deep cleansing, I should say. Not only physically, mentally, spiritually. But my actual Scope Camp starts from today. Because what I've learned from here, I go back and I practice more. Each time, that little smile on my face, I thank my master. Each time I eat food, I put the grain in my mouth, I thank him. Every time, it's like moment to moment, I've never missed a moment of thanking him, or whatever I've learned from him. So I'm really very grateful to him, and God bless him, God bless his family, God bless his whole Gurukulam.
My name is Manoj Nialani. This time my learning in Scope Camp was like Jada Dimag Mat Lagao. Just take bath in the open. I think during childhood days I must have taken a bath like this, open. And now I've repeated that again this time. It was a different experience. So I learned how to break my patterns. I had a lot of patterns. So it's like an onion, like one onion, you peel it and you remove your patterns. So this one learning was then. Catharsis was a very good opening for me.
My name is Bharat. So my experience is that what I take from here is a godliness and love from the